yini ma-South Africans amahle? Yo, istress ebeseninaso ngombulazi, ngoGeneral Dumisani Khumalo wenu, ngomntungwa. Hayi bafethu ehlisana amaphaphu. Hayi bese ngidonswa ngapha nangapha zi-inbox ngapha kuma-comment wezinye i-posts zithi hayibo ithini into endaqonda uba amani ndingekeva from la hosi le lindele ibingicela iintaba ezifana nezi. Hayi andikazi upapasha ncam. Ibuyile into ethi ana so ikhona into ethi uGeneral Dumisani Khumalo kuye kwafika into ethi kumele into yoba azise epolice station kwisadla sePitori. Kwakuthi bona General Dumisani Khumalo noGeneral Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi wethu qanda le country bese beyiwavile amahimi ngokungathi ikhona into ephekwa yi-IDEC ngokungathi within 48 hours bafuna ukubabopha after bona benamahimi mabawavile yona i-IDEC enamahimi ngokungathi oGeneral Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi banemission okanye banenhloso yokuyobopha i-seniors zakwa-IDEC. So inoba aba bathi masibabethe kuqala before besibetha. So ingathi khona nje into engathi injalo edlalwayo ngapha kuGeneral Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi Thixo benxiba icoat efana neyam so hayi ziminye coat so hayi ke uye wa-interviewa yi-newsroom lapha ethethe khona into yoba yona ayikho ncam into yoba ubanjiwe but nje because bese beyifumene into ethi i-IDEC inento eyiphekayo ngapha sekefonelwa nguGeneral Dumisani Khumalo esithi seke police station waqonda into yoba makangahlali nje andithi niyamazi bakosabini mina yona insizwe iqonda ngqo kanyonyobeni wathi since beyivile into yoba i-IDEC inenhloso eyoba ibabophe makavele naye once since uGeneral Dumisani Khumalo esithi police station hayi once naye makabe sekezisa benze loo nto abacinga ukuyenza once abe seke sithi nami sendikhona. Hayi ke beseke fudumele enxibe already ijasi ebonisa into yoba nje awuba nami ngiyanifuna ibanini senisirhabelela nje sobabini because asohlukani mna noKhumalo sisizithupha zo. So into nje ilapho so andihalelanga amabhongo nje akhona athi bafethu ningekayiva ngami ayikabi yiyo ncam kodwa nje ndosaba ukutsho ngenye imini niphoswe zindaba nibe lilindele uba mayitshiwo ndim ibingekatshiwo ndim. So ngiyayazi uba ngaba cause besebekhona besithi hayi siva kuthiwa uGeneral Mkhwanazi ubanjiwe hayi noGeneral Dumisani ndathi ndizawubuya ne-update. So bafethu inkwali yenkosi ingaphandle uGeneral Dumisani Khumalo hayi umbulaza kakabanjwa ehlisana amaphaphu kodwa iyabonisa nje into yoba laba bango-IDEC kwela cala ka-IDEC ikhona nje inyuva dem abaplani ukuyenza. Ndiyabasizela not ngabantu bethu.
Well, we don't know. It's got a resemblance of some typical strategies that have been employed, but we're still going to dig deep in it.
My understanding is that not only has there been a warrant of arrest prepared for the crime intelligence boss, but for yourself as well. Are you aware of this?
No, well, what the intelligence we received yesterday was that they've given themselves 48 hours to make sure that myself and Khumalo are behind bars because they believe that we have secured warrant of arrest for IDEC officials, which was, I did not believe that story, that there's something like that, because there's no warrant of arrest. And from where I am, there's not even an investigation that involves anyone from IDEC. So why would you come with warrant of arrest and a person who makes up the story? I thought it's just a story that is flying. But when Khumalo told me today that he's received a phone call by IDEC that say he must present himself at the station, so I thought the 48 hours that we were warned about yesterday, it's real. That's why I came here, so that first I can confirm with Khumalo to see the phone numbers that called him. And also, if IDEC is here, I might as well say, here I am, if you need me as well. But to my surprise, then Khumalo gets another phone call that says that he doesn't have to present himself because of some executive decision.
In fact, that's also what we've been told. Have you gotten any clarity as to what exactly happened between the time Khumalo was told to present himself and the time at which he then was not going to be processed at this police station?
There are phone numbers that call them. The people that own those phone numbers, perhaps are the one they must take the microphone and tell South Africa. Why did they call them to come here? And why did they call them not to come here?